We have a Craftsman 7 amp BeltSander right here. Now this is $50. It was on sale, so I saved 10 bucks only, but yeah, that's the price of it. It's actually 60 bucks, but yeah, if you got the sale, it's actually 50. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, we got a little manual here. All the information about the sander and everything, how to use everything is in here. I'm gonna put that to the side, and we have our actual machine in here. It's wrapped in a plastic bag. Nothing else in the box. As you can see, this is actually wired. No batteries or anything. This is my second one actually. I bought one and the belt kept going to the inner side and started eating up its own machine here. But I'm gonna come closer and show you guys. This is actually kind of eaten up too in here. If you can see, let me try to focus. If you can see right there, it's like a bit eaten up right there at the tip. This is what happened yesterday when I got this one for the first time, and then I had to return that one because it was keep on eating up that way. I don't know why that happens, but I hope it doesn't happen with this one because I really like the machine. So we got a handle here. You can change the setting on this by pulling this lever out. Ow, I just hurt my nail. Alright, that was a little jammed up there. I don't know why. But yeah, it's open now. This is how you change it. Whatever you like. It locks right in place like that. There you go. You got like 3 modes, and then you can lock it up right there. This is actually a bit weird. I don't know why this is happening to this machine, but yesterday was fine for this lever. There's always something. You got a trigger right here. This actually activates the sanding machine, and of course you got a nice design and everything. I really like this piece. It's really nice. I wish this wasn't plastic because I know this is gonna wear out and it's gonna look horrible after some time. But yeah, that's that. There's a bag for dust collection here. You could take off. There's a zipper here too. Easy cleaning and stuff. And if you pull this lever, that's how you change the belt. You gotta pull it all the way out like that, and then you could just easily just pull it out and then put another one in, and then pull it back right that way, just like that. It's that simple, and that's how it works. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.